Hello, we're working on 5.1, the coordinate plane. Coordinates, in this case, two-dimensional coordinate plane based upon x and y. And remember, a plane is a flat surface that extends on and on forever. So our two dimensions that we're dealing with, left to right, we call the x-axis. And up and down and up, we call the y-axis. So those are the two dimensions that we're working with. And remember, with our ordered pair, if you have trouble keeping the order straight, always think about your alphabet. You've been working with that for a while. And so if you cannot remember what the order is, always go back to your alphabet, X, Y, and Z. So now let's come over here to our coordinate plane and fill out some more information. This blank box right here is in regards to the origin, or 0, 0, which we would mark right here on our coordinate plane. It's where all things start, 0, 0. To the left or down, negative area. To the right or up, positive area. But we all start here in 0, 0 at the origin. Now our coordinate plane is made up of 4 quadrants. Quad means 4 quadrants. And since we really do most of our work starting here in this positive x, positive y direction, we call this quadrant 1. And we write our quadrant numbers in Roman numerals. Okay, and heading over here, we call this quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and finally 4. So we have 4 quadrants, 4 parts that make up our coordinate plane. One last thing before we start working on problems. Let's talk about domain and range. And domain for our linear equation is the x values that we are using when we graph our linear equation. And our range is the y values that we will be using, the results usually determined by our x. So domain, x values, range, y values.